Whenever beginners start sewing, the biggest confusion is sleeves. Why does one sleeve fit perfectly and another one twist or pull? Why do puffy sleeves look bulky sometimes? And how do designers create lot of different kind of sleeve pattern or styles from just one base? So in today's video, I will teach you sleeve from zero level to designer level. This is a complete sleeve guide, cutting, drafting, stitching, explained in a very simple way. If you understand this video, you will be able to make any sleeve for any size. So here's the part 1, understanding sleeves. Before drafting sleeves, we must understand one simple important thing. A sleeve is not an independent piece. It is directly connected to armhole. So if armhole is wrong, the sleeve will never fit. If sleeve cap is wrong, sleeve will twist or pull. So first, always remember, perfect sleeve equal to correct armhole and correct sleeve cap. Here we come with part 2, the sleeve measurement. Let's begin the process now and let me show you the measurements, basic measurement for any kind of sleeves. So let's begin. Grab your इंची टेप्स एंड वी आर गोइंग टू मेजर आवर आर्म होल राइट. परफेक्ट, पहले तो परफेक्टली टाइट वाला हम पार्ट को देखेंगे कि कितना है. सो हियर इट इज 16 आया है. 16 का हाफ कितना होगा? दैट विल बी 8. सो अब हम स्लीव लेंथ लेंगे तो अलग अलग पूरा, तो हम फुल लेंथ लेंगे, फिर हम शॉर्ट लेंथ, बिकॉज सम पीपल आर very bulky and some are very slim. So everyone has different measurement.
Let me show you the basic measurements required for any sleeve. First of all, measure the armhole from the stitched body X or not the paper pattern. This gives accuracy. Now we are going to measure sleeve length. For short sleeve, you have to measure from shoulder to the desired point. For 3/4 sleeve, you have to measure from shoulder to below elbow. For long sleeve, you have to measure from shoulder to wrist. And for cap sleeve, it is very short, just covering shoulder. Sleeve round, always measure loosely 1 to 1.5 inches each for comfort. Tight sleeves look bad and feel worse, so it will be better if you let them loose. After all the measurement taken, now we will draft the basic sleeve block. This block is the foundation for all sleeve designs. Okay, I'm going to explain step by step. So draw a vertical center line, mark sleeve length, divide armhole measurement. Okay, so it will be around, for me is like 8.5 inches, and for creating a cap, sleeve cap, it will be 3 inches, and it can be bigger according to your biceps area, according to your hand, so it can be different. Front curve is slightly deeper, back curve is smoother. This small difference decide comfort. 90% sleeve fitting problems come from wrong sleeve cap shape. So you have to measure widely ki what size will fit on you. So for me it is 3 inches sleeve cap is perfect, and after that I am also making this pattern here. And according to all the measure I have taken, I am making straight line and making this pattern, and this I am going to use in my whole video and for the next all the sleeves that I am going to make in my next projects. So this is how you can make your own sleeve pattern. Okay, now once the basic draft is ready, changing sleeve length is very easy. Okay, so we can cut according to whatever size we wanted. I'm going to now, using this drafting paper, I'm going to put it on a fabric, and I'm going to cut for the basic, making cut for the basic sleeve, and I'm going to show you how it will look. So I cut it like this, and I'm going to stitch it, make a simple straight stitch, and yeah, it's done. So this is how the sleeve is ready. और इसको आप मैं आपको, this is how it look like on my hand. So you can see this is perfect and it is very comfy, and it is a kind of a loose one, so I can fit according to myself, but it is, yeah, very comfy sleeve pattern. So it is done. Now I'm going to show you some other kind of sleeve patterns. So first of all, I am going to show you the puff sleeve. So for this I also made this pattern on some other sheet, and now making straight lines and making cuts here, and then place this sheets cutouts like this, you can see, and we are going to cut this area, and this is how it going to see. This is how, and we are going to make pleats here, and I'm clipping those areas where we have to make pleat, and we have to stitch it where I putted all the clips. So this is how it going to be a cuff sleeve or puff sleeve, whatever it is called. So this is how it will looking after clipping, and we are going to make a stitch. So after this I also attach a simple 1.5 inch straight fabric, more spread, more puff, light fabric works best isme. So this is how it going to look like, and I'm also going to show you how it will turn out. See, this is how it will look after wearing when it is attached to some outfit. So it will look like this. Next is I'm going to show you ruffle sleeve pattern. So I'm just again placing this pattern sheet here and making cut according to that, and we are also need some fabric of 1 or 2 inches. I'm going to cut it and place these sheet of this fabric strip here. We have to make 2-3 straps, and so first of all I'm just finishing these strip by folding one side of it, and now I'm stitching these strips on the sleeve pattern like this, and making pleats here, and we have to attach all the 3 strips in this, and this is how it will turn out. And we have to stitch on the that side, and this is how it will turn out. It is looking so amazing pattern. I think I should definitely try to make an outfit by using this sleeve pattern. So it is looking really amazing. So next sleeve pattern, so this is called an umbrella sleeve pattern. So I'm this is a sheet, and I'm marking at 12 inches in this, and making a circular curve here 12 inches pe, and we have to cut it out, and in the between we have to measure it like 4 inches, and in deep inside there is also one semicircle I have to make, something like that, and we have to cut this part also. So first we have to use this pattern on a fabric. So I take out a georgette fabric for this one and placing this like this. It is a 4-fold fabric, so we are gonna cut this part like this, and we have to open half like this, and we have to make a cut in this sheet like this, and this is how it will turn out. And now we have to cut this cutted part in the fabric also. So this will become the armhole area. You can make it small or big according to you. So for me this area becomes very big, so I have to make it small next time. So this is how it will turn out after. See, there is no I have to hem the raw edges, and this is perfect umbrella sleeve turnout. So it will look amazing when you make a dress. So this will turn out very amazing sleeve pattern for a dress, summer dress, perfect for summer dress. And the last one is I'm making a bishop sleeve in this. So we have to I'm also showing you 2 type of you can make a bell sleeve or bishop sleeve. So there is only one difference in these. So first of all I am placing this pattern, and we have to make the put the pattern like this, and we have to there is no measurement for this like this. You have to place it like that, okay? And we will cut it out, and here we go. If we stitch the lining जहाँ पे cut किया है वहाँ पे then it will become a bell sleeve, and but I'm showing you how to make a bishop sleeve. So in this I am going to insert insert a elastic, and I'm inserting elastic right now. So, and we have to now stitch that area fully along from the elastic part, and this is how it will turn out as a bishop sleeve. So this is how it will turn out. It is really a very interesting pattern. You can see I have 2-3 dresses of this kind of sleeve pattern, so it looks so amazing. So I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I showed a lot of different kind of sleeves pattern in this, and I'm also coming up with more interesting Indian version also of sleeve patterns in future. And I hope you like this video, and yeah, subscribe to my channel for more such kind of interesting videos. And thank you and bye.